Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video we will create addition and subtraction of two numbers in Python in Linux operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So I'm using Sublime as my text editor in Linux Mint, the Linux distribution that I'm using in writing this program. So we have here line number 1, add_sum.py, the file name of our program. The title is addition and subtraction of two numbers in Python in Linux, created by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, and IT. And then I have two websites where you can download the source code for free, jakerpomperada.com, and then the other one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. Currently, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, information technology consultancy. Basically, I also working as a freelance software engineer. So people here in the Philippines can reach me in my mobile number, Globe, at 0917-384-360, and then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So we have here the title, addition and subtraction of two numbers in Python in Linux. We're asking the user to give first and second number that will be stored in num1 and num2. So for addition, we have here a comment adding two numbers, sum equals num1 plus num2. For the difference or subtraction, we have here a variable or act as assignment statement, div equals num1 minus num2, open and close parentheses. The same thing in addition, open and close parentheses. And then we have here printing of values, the sum of curly bracket 0, open and close curly bracket 0, and open and close curly bracket 1, and is open and close curly bracket 2, format num1 num2 sum. And then we have here for the difference or for the subtraction, difference between curly bracket 0 and open and close curly bracket 1 is open and close curly bracket 2, format num1 num2, and difference, and then end of program, new line and end of program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code for free. So let us go with our terminal window, and then we execute python add_sum.py. Addition and subtraction of two numbers in Python in Linux. Enter first number. Let's say we have 7. Second number we have 2. The sum of 7 and 2 is 9. The difference between 7 and 2 is 5. End of program. Another example. We have first number, we have 100. Second number, we have 23. So the sum of 123 is 123. The difference between 100 and 23 is 77. End of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write and create addition and subtraction of two numbers in Python in Linux operating system. I hope that you have learned something new in this short tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.